Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a perfect waistband. And to show some love, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so you get notifications each time I post a video. Now to start this tutorial, get your fabric and fold it in half like I just did. And I'm just going to take this marginal line. On the folded edge of your fabric, go upwards by 1 inch from the marginal line. Now I am going to be using 2 inches for my waistband, and because it's going to reflect on the other side, I will use 4 inches. That is because your waistband is going to be unfolded like this, and obviously it's going to reflect on the other side. So I am going to be adding 1.5 inches for joining, and that would be 5.5 inches in total. Now from the marginal line upwards on this side, take that same 5.5 inches. And now using the curve ruler, connect all the marks. Now once you're done doing that, next thing you're going to do is take your waist circumference divided by 2, and my waist circumference divided by 2 is 16 inches, and that is the line I just marked right there. And now add 2 inches for overlapping of the band, and next thing you're going to do is cut. And if you have gotten this far, good job. Now fold your band in half like this, and you're going to find the midpoint of your band and mark. By doing this, you're going to divide and cut your band into 2. And this method helps to remove gaping at the back and folds on your band while sewing. And once you've gotten your band, go on and iron your interfacing on the both of them like I just did. Now place them right sides together. Now get your iron and start folding by 1/2 inch at the bottom part and start ironing your band. Once you're done on this side, flip to the other side and also fold by 1/2 inch and start ironing that 1/2 inch down. And now you're going to take this to your sewing machine and stitch these curved parts by 1/2 inch. Now once you're done stitching, start making your notches. And now we're going to flip this to the good side of the fabric, and as you flip, you have to make sure to iron it down so you have a much more neater fabric to work with. Now at this point, you need to make sure that you have fixed the zipper of whatever it is you're making. And now get your waistband, fold this edge by 1/2 inwards and place it on the waistband and start pinning. Now basically what you're doing is pinning the edge of your band to the edge of your skirt all the way around. That part of your zip that overlaps is going to be where the excess band is going to be. Now once you're done pinning, follow the folded ironed part of your band and stitch all the way around. And now as you can see, I am done making my stitches. Now what you're going to do is, and here is the part that I was talking about, the part where the zipper overlaps is where the band is going to also overlap. Now fold the band in half like this, good sides together, and go on and make your stitches. And as you can see, I am done making my stitch, and I'll cut off the excess like this. And now flip this to the good side. And now you're going to take those rough edges and flip it on the inside, and you're going to use this band to cover it up like this. While stitching, make sure your stitches do not go below this line. Make sure it stays on this line. just keep your eye on the stitches you've done before. Make sure you do not go below it. And before you start stitching, just fold this edge like this and fold the top like this and fold it on the waistband and start pinning. And we're going to start pinning the band to the waist of the skirt all the way around. And to start making your stitches, you're going to take your stitch from the top right here over and take it to this point and stitch your band all the way to the end. And at this point, you can go on and put on your hook and eye or whatever it is you want to use and hold your band together. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video.